Next example, part A, we're going to multiply. Let's write the orders of these guys. The first one, row by column, it's a 2 by 1 matrix, 2 rows, 1 column, times rows by column, 1 row by 2 columns. We see that the inner entries equal each other. That means, yes, we can do the multiplication. And the outer entries are the order of our answer. It's going to be a 2 by 2. All right, so let's do this. Now it's going to be a 2 by 2, so let's get ready for our answer. This is going to have an entry here, and an entry here, an entry down below, and one also below here. That gives us 2 rows by 2 columns. Now let's go across the first row, across the first column. That's x times y. Now let's go across the first row and the second column. That's x times y. It feels a little weird, but it's working. Now let's go down below. 2x across the first column, 2x times y. And then the last row across the last column, 2x times y. And we are finished. Okay, let's work on part B. Let's look at the orders of these two guys. This is rows by column, 1 row by 2 columns. And this guy is 2 rows by 1 column. The inner entries match, which means we can do the multiplication. The product exists, and the outer entries tells us the order of our solution. It's going to be a 1 by 1, which is just a single number. Let's go ahead and do this. Here's our solution. It is equal to, now it's going to be a 1 by 1. It's pretty small. Everything on one entry. Okay, so going across the first row and the first column, we have x times x is x squared, plus y times y is y squared. And we're finished. The answer is x squared plus y squared. We don't need the parenthesis for 1 by 1. We're finished.